Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your ultimate source for high impact stock breakdowns. I'm Mitchell, and today we're igniting the green rush with the AdvisorShares Pure U.S. Cannabis ETF, ticker MSOS, the premier actively managed fund tracking U.S. multi state operators in the evolving cannabis landscape. Explosive liftoff today. As of December 12th, MSOS has skyrocketed 38% to $5.12, shattering year to date highs on a seismic policy shift. The trigger? Reports confirm President Trump is poised to sign an executive order Monday reclassifying marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3, acknowledging medical benefits, slashing IRS Section 280E's tax stranglehold, and unlocking billions in relief for operators like Top Holdings, Curaleaf, True Leaf, and Green Thumb. This caps a resilient 2025 rebound from Q1's negative 31% dip, with AUM swelling to $668 million amid sector maturation. Analysts hail it as a multi-year catalyst, but volatility lingers on timelines. MSOS policy pivot or pot peak? Blaze your take below, like for the buzz, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Invest elevated. Catch you next time. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.